Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn House of Hundreds 2 together, step by step. We continue with 3-digit numbers, now adding and subtracting them with carrying and borrowing. Line the numbers up by place value, add ones, then tens, then hundreds, carrying to the next column whenever a column reaches 10 or more. When subtracting, if the top digit is smaller than the one below, borrow 1 from the next column, then subtract. Add 245 and 138. Ones, 5 plus 8 is 13. Right, 3 carry 1. Tens, 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. Hundreds, 2 plus 1 is 3. The answer is 383. To recap, line up by place value, carry when adding, borrow when subtracting, and check your answer. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.